This is what a Sephora box looks like. Not like this. Did someone at UPS steal part of my Sephora order? What in the world is happening with UPS? Today, I am sharing with you what recently happened to me. And my question to you is, has this ever happened to you before? Oh my goodness. Is it just my luck? What the heck is going on? So, the other day, I got notification that Summer Fridays was releasing their new blush collection. So I jumped on it. I placed my order. The collection is a total of 6 blushes. I placed my order on the 7th, and the order details said I would be receiving it on the 10th. The 10th came around, nothing. Didn't receive it. I really didn't think much of it because, sometimes when there's sales going on and stuff, they take a little bit longer, whatever. So I continued waiting. So on the 12th, my husband lets me know that I received a package. I see it from afar. He sets it on the table, and I figured it was my Busy Art order since we're familiar with the Sephora box. We know, those of us who have ordered online, we know what the Sephora box looks like, right? This is what a Sephora box looks like when you order online. This is what we expect, what we anticipate, what we look forward to receiving when we place our orders at Sephora. What did I receive? Check this out. That's so disgusting. Super annoying. Now, I didn't realize that this was my Sephora order. I didn't realize it until I sat down the next day to prepare myself for my little unboxing video. When I go to open this up, I'm looking at it closer and I'm like, wow, check this out. Look how wrinkled up this is. They didn't even have the courtesy of repackaging it nice and neat. And that's when I realized, oh, this is Sephora, because I looked at the address and everything. I'm like, what in the world is going on? Something must have happened to the box. They repackaged it, whatever. It's gross and disgusting. Like, who wants to receive a fancy item in a box like this? Kind of kills it, right? At least for me, it does. So I start opening it up and I'm telling my husband, God, they packaged this all crazy. They got glue all over. This is just craziness. So at this point, I'm already annoyed. I'm like, whatever. I mean, I just want to get my product. So I look through the box, start taking the stuff out, and I get these. So at first I was like, oh, okay, let me just double check, make sure, because obviously it was repackaged. So let me just double check, make sure everything looks good. And I'm still kind of, part of me was still kind of excited. I'm like, okay, whatever, oh well, things happen, right? So then I'm taking a closer look and I'm thinking, wait a minute, my order is an order of 6 blushes, not 5. So there's 1 blush missing. Someone with sticky fingers decided to keep the berry spritz. My annoyance turned into frustration. I mean, really? One thing that can get on my nerves is people taking what's not theirs. Dios mío, I truly can't stand that. So what did I do? I call up Sephora and I let them know the situation. They totally agreed with me. And they even confirmed that, yes, you're right. The Sephora box that we send our orders in has the Sephora logo. That's what we do. So I know I'm not crazy. They didn't even question me. They just sent me a replacement. And actually that replacement came in pretty quick. Like in 2 days, I already had the new replacement. Here's a kicker though. You guys want to see how I received it? Tell me what in the world is going on with UPS. Are you serious right now? Oh my God. So my husband stops the guy and says, wait, I don't know. I don't even know if she's going to want to keep this. He's like, okay, go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead and check it if you want. If you don't want it, we can return it. All that good stuff. So at this point, I'm like, you got to be kidding me. This is just insane. Not only do I get the first part of my order tampered with, repackaged, but I'm missing a blush. I get my replacement. I get a new box that's all effed up. So I told the guy, let me just double check. As long as the blush is in there and no one touched the blush, it's not tampered with, the actual product isn't tampered with, then I'll just keep it, whatever. I'll let it go because I'm very patient. I'm a very patient person. So I took it out and I was like, yay, God. Now I have a full collection, yay. So what am I going to do about it? I'm going to call UPS, file a complaint, let them know, be aware of what's going on. Are they going to do anything? Probably not. I can't be the only one this has happened to. Please tell me if this has happened to you. To be quite honest, I'm mainly left feeling disappointed. It's mainly about the principle. Don't take what's not yours, you know? So frustrating. This is not the end of the world, I know. I mean, it's not like anyone got hurt, but it's mainly about why? Why steal what's not yours? Why take what's not yours? It's annoying. People like me work hard for our stuff, you know, and it's just annoying that there are other people out there that just, they're shameless. They don't care. They just take what's not theirs and that's whatever to them. It's just another day. Thank you so much for letting me vent. On the positive side, I now have my full Summer Fridays blush collection. If there's one thing I take from this is a reminder that not everything is going to run smoothly. There is always going to be something negative thrown at you, and things like these also happen to those of us who are honest people. Now that I have the complete collection, I can make that try-on video for you. So keep an eye out for that upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. And let's keep positive. Let's stay positive. Positive vibes. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.